The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, south central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Burns, Fairview, and Charlotte. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 164 and 189. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 4, and near mile marker 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.